What's going on YouTube? So in today's video, I'll go over the steps that I take to back up my WordPress site. So the first thing that I do is that I use MySQL Workbench to back up the database. When I am creating the name for the export, I make sure to add the name of the site and the date that the export was created. And the reason why I do this is that it is easier to track the exports. And then from there, I make sure to include the option to create the schema. One thing that you should definitely note is that if you do this on a live site, expect the site not to work until the export is finished. While the export is happening, I use the file system to zip up the codebase. When it comes to zipping the codebase, there are two options. One, zip up the whole htdocs, or two, just zip up the files that we need. Just note that whenever you recover the website, you can always get the wp-admin directory or the wp-includes directory from the WordPress website. The main thing that you need to make sure that you do have archived is your wp-config, because that will contain the salt that you use to hash your password, and also the wp content, which will contain all the plugins and images that you upload. And then that's about it. That's kind of the process that I sometimes use to zip up my website. Yeah, I definitely do other stuff, but that's just kind of it in a nutshell. So hopefully you learned something new. If you did, please give me a like. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.